Oh.
Get that out of my face.
Hey, you know what that means? Another treat box.
Don't stab that box. You gotta use it.
Oh. Treat box.
For your eBay business.
I do
This
use.
box felt heavy when I got it from the mailbox.
Yeah.
Also, our mailman is like stuffing this in our. We have a little tiny mailbox because we live in a condo, and they're just stuffing stuff in there.
Oh, I got an eBay notification right now.
Oh gosh!
They're like cancel.
Careful! Don't cut your fingers. Cut away from you.
Okay.
I don't remember what this
That's
is.
Italy, right? What is this, guys?
Well, we're gonna find out in a minute.
France. Oh yeah, France. Oh,
Netherlands.
No.
Oh, I'm
Show that
Dutch.
picture.
So my great grandparents were from the Netherlands, and they only spoke Dutch on my dad's side. How beautiful!
So go ahead and show. We'll show the recipe.
Tulips, windmills, clogs, and bicycles.
So this
right.
is the Dutch recipe of the month. It's hazazay.
Let me see it. I'll read it to you. I'm Dutch.
Okay, and then read some of that stuff while I'm getting this around.
No, I don't know how to say that. So I went to a very small private school that was primarily Netherlands descent. What we used to say is, if you ain't Dutch, you ain't much.
And you know what? Know what these people at this private school did? Nose right up in the air. You guarantee that. Michelle had her nose in the air.
Everybody was like 8 feet tall, blonde hair, blue
Stop,
eyes.
Michelle.
Well, I'm just telling you. Capital is Amsterdam, red light district. It doesn't say that on here, but I just know that. National holiday is St. Joseph's Day. The Netherlands is the world's biggest exporter of cheese. It's famous for their tulips, but tulips originally didn't grow there. They were imported from the Ottoman Empire in the 17th century. There are still over 1,000 traditional working windmills in the Netherlands. 19 of these can be found at the UNESCO World Heritage Site. A popular Dutch snack is raw herrings topped with onions. Ew. Okay,
Sick.
let's go.
Okay, so
I heard you doing a bunch of stuff over here.
yeah.
Oh,
start
I
with
love
that.
those.
So we're starting
Windmill
with a windmill cookie
cookies.
by Dutch Bakery. My grandpa used to always have
My
these.
grandma used to too.
When was the last time you invited some friends over for tea and cookies? Dutch bakery cookies are perfect for tea
It's all broke. I would show you, but
and treat. The classic windmill shape and unique spicy taste will bring back warm memories of days gone by.
my grandma on my other side, my mom's mom, she always used to have windmill cookies.
Well, now Toonie's in here. Mmm.
We used to go
Wow.
over there after church on Sundays, and you used to have cookies and stuff.
Mmm. That was really good.
There's more.
Leave it because we got a lot.
Oh, this box did feel heavy. Oh, I like these.
So we got Stupa waffles. Everything about the Stupa waffle is wonderful, from texture to taste. Not the slightest artificial after sweet taste. Sweet, but definitely not too sweet. A mix of flavors that melt in your mouth. Perfect for a hot cup of tea or cocoa.
These are heavy.
I'll just take a little bit. I don't
Okay,
want a
just
bunch.
take a bite then.
Yeah, I don't want a bunch.
These will be good in some tea. It reminds me of biting into a honeycomb or something.
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
That's good. It's caramel, right?
Didn't say.
Mmm.
Oh, they're pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Toonie says, I want some. Our dog has been sick for like a week, but she's fine now. She's
Yeah.
really good.
Wow, those
We're
are
happy
good.
and I love her.
We've had something like this before.
Oh!
Ah! We dropped it. Ooh, Wilhelmina. I like these. They have mints that are called Wilhelmina.
Oh, should we not eat this last time?
Yeah.
Because it's a mint, and you need it for your breath. Ah!
You're rude. Sour Power Straws.
Cotton candy.
We'll bring these on the cruise.
Sour and chewy straws. No, actually not straws. Some filled with a familiar strawberry flavor. Kids just love these. To eat these Sour Power Straw candies. Fun to use for candy buffet too.
They are 2 straws.
Oh, I thought they were flat.
Nope.
I'll take a bluey Huey.
They have a small opening.
Well, they got filling in them. It said.
Oh.
I got a bluey Huey. You got Ready Teddy.
Oh. Oh.
Woo!
So sour. They're good. Oh. Oh. That's so sour after eating that stupel thing.
Yeah.
I can't right now. My mouth is watering.
Does Toonie want to piece it out?
No, she doesn't. Are you okay? That was good.
Okay, whoa now.
This is why his box is so heavy. Full-size cookies.
What's this
Ooh.
golden ticket in here? No, I'm just kidding. How we would have had that?
I would have freaked out.
So we gotta tell that. So every month they put a golden ticket in a box, and then you get to go in a random box, and a lucky percent, and the ticket would provide 2 plane tickets and 3-night hotel stay in the month's featured country. So we're hoping for that.
These look good, man. These are peanut butter.
Michelle, you've already opened it. Peanut cookies. Peanut cookies are surprisingly crumbly and delicious. A single bite will surprise your mouth with melting crumbles with overwhelming amount of chunks of crunchy peanut.
Oh, what the hell? They try to stuff them in this box.
They're dead.
They are.
Down to very last crumb. Well, all we need is one, Michelle. The Puckle Pack! Whoa.
Yeah,
you take that, crumbly.
Ooh, these are good. This is one of my favorite boxes so far. Nothing I don't like. Wow. They have whole peanuts. Should I show?
It's a space peanut. You get that? No. It's off pure dirt.
I don't remember that. That's good.
Okay, don't eat no more.
Don't.
Oh, man.
Those are really good.
Okay, these are all mine. These are Daddy's.
No.
Oh.
Oh, I thought it said pecan, but it says peanuts.
Earlier you just said, it's a whole peanut.
Willaminas are good.
Yeah.
They have these, like, chalky type mints, too.
So, Choco Bites. These delicious Cocoa Bites come in a very luxurious style tablet with a delightful taste of the Wilhelmine peppermint. Its historical roots, too, as the first box,
Here.
Wilhelmine peppermint was presented to the Dutch royal family.
See?
Crumbly. I thought it was smooth.
I love these kind of mints.
Oh, those are really good.
Wow. Whoa. No, I shared mine with you.
Oh, this is Daddy's.
Okay. Son of a... That's it.
Okay,
This, I want to just go on the record of saying this is the best box we've had.
one of the best.
Because I think also it helps because we grew up with this kind of stuff.
I didn't.
I did.
Okay, so next destination clue. Next month's treats come from a country known for being the largest country in the world by landmass. This country has 11 time zones and is the only country in the world that is washed by 12 seas. It shares land borders with more than 10 neighboring countries. This country is also famous for its vodka, Olympic athletes,
Russia.
cold weather, classical music, oil and gas reserves, advancements in space technology, and something dolls. Yep, it's Russia. No doubt.
Russia!
Mother Russia! Okay, guys. That's
we
it.
gotta rank them.
Oh! Favorite thing in the box, hands down, these cookies right here.
I think those are pretty good.
What one's your favorite?
I don't know if I can pick.
You want the mints?
I kind of like these,
Okay.
but the windmill cookies are good too.
Okay, you have to pick one.
These.
Okay, Michelle's picking. What's the worst thing in the box?
These.
These.
They were okay, but
They're not bad,
no. If we have to pick a worst thing, it's that.
though. Yep. Okay, guys. Man.
I'm going to be chowing down on these cookies later.
No! They're mine!
Okay. Man, we've been fighting a lot on our videos.
Ow! Factory strength. Okay,
Okay.
bye, guys.